Trevor Bickham. We're going to get right into it. So I get a lot of questions about the stock market. What stock should I buy, especially in the economy we're in right now? Um, I know there's a lot of misinformation and a lot of disinformation out there about the stock market. So I'm just here to clear up some information. So pretty much my goal is to educate you and have you guys follow me along on this journey as I start this Wheat Bowl challenge. So the goal pretty much is to every week buy a stock and just continue to add until it snowballs into a bigger investment pool. So right now, what you're looking at my TD Ameritrade account. I've been investing for a few years, maybe since 2012. So just to give you a little backdrop on me, I started investing about in 2012. I only had one stock back then, and that was Best Buy. So I held Best Buy for maybe 3 or 4 years, and I maybe brought it at about $50. I think I brought 5 shares at $50. Uh, I've lost money. I made money. Uh, One of the most important things about the stock market that I must say, you have to be honest with yourself. You must be honest with yourself. That's the number one thing I believe in. If you're honest with yourself and you're honest about your money, then you'll make a lot of money. Also, you need to realize whatever money you put into the stock market, you've already lost that money. You must think of that money that you deposit into the market or into any account that you deposit into as a loss, right? That money is gone already. So that's one of the things that I highly recommend. You know, really be honest with yourself. Really be honest about your debt. Be honest about your income ratio. Be honest about what you plan on saving. Everybody investment goal is not the same. My investment goal is not the same as yours. Your investment goal is not the same as mine. So pretty much as a disclaimer, I'm investing for long-term investment. I'm more of a dividend investor, and I'll just go through my TD Ameritrade portfolio and just show you a little bit of some of the companies I'm invested in and kind of give you a little bit of my history. So we'll go through it. As you see Disney, you see Nike, you see Boeing, that's the BA. You see Activision, Best Buy. Like I said, I've been holding Best Buy since 2012. Starbucks, um, ExxonMobil, Coca-Cola, uh, Campbell, Verizon, and a couple of other stocks. So these stocks that I hold right here are mainly dividend stocks. And as we go along, I'll explain a little bit more longer what dividend stocks are and how I benefit from owning dividend stocks. Uh, so first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna buy a stock. I'm gonna take it to my Robinhood account. As you can see, uh, we'll go through some things, kind of walk you through it. I hope you've been on a Robinhood account before. So here is it. This is actually the website. So one thing I do believe in owning ETFs. So ETFs is a portfolio that holds a bunch of different stocks within them. And as we go along through this challenge, you'll see most of my portfolios, I hold ETF stocks. All right. Even here, I hold SPHD, which is an ETF stock. See, it says ETF right there. All right. So we're going to go to Robinhood, and we're going to see what's going on here. Check my cash availability. You know what? We'll do it over here, right? We'll do it in TD Ameritrade. All right. So as you can see, it has my it has the price of the stock, how much it's going for right now, and gives me an option to review it, how many quantities I want. Only want one quantity, uh, and I'm buying it at 34.73. All right, I review my order. Boom, place the order. The order is filled for the stock. Simple as that. All right, and we're gonna do that in uh in my TD, not my TD. We're gonna do that in the Webull account pretty frequently. So you'll see me just show you what stocks I'm purchasing. Each day may be something different, but the goal is to each week buy a stock to grow the portfolio. Nothing happens overnight. So that's one thing I want to make sure you understand. Nothing happens overnight. All right. So what we'll do is we'll go to the phone and pull out my phone, and I'm gonna go to the Webull app. That's the Webull app, and it says congratulations, I already signed up and everything, so it's time to get my free stock. All right. So here's the free stock I got. It's SAN. All right. I'm not sure what that company is. Uh, but that's the free stock I got. Oh, we on the stock. Let's see if it's updated over here on the profile. And just bear with me. I still got a lot to learn on this Webull site, and that's the good thing about it. I'm a novice at it. I don't know much about it, but we're gonna learn together, right? You learn as I learn. The goal is to learn together. Let's go to stock history. All right. All right, let's look it up. Let's see what this stock is. Let's see what SAN stands for SAN. I believe this is a bank company, Banco Santander. All right. I'm not too familiar with it. Uh, Honestly, something like this, as I build my portfolio up, I'm most likely going to sell it because I want dividend stocks, and uh, this doesn't seem like a dividend stock. I may be wrong on it. Trying to get some information on it, but it's not much information on it. All right, but this stock I will be selling soon, so I'm not too worried about having it too long. So that's usually what I do when I get free stocks. I normally sell them if it's not anything good. Uh, like I said, it's up to you. You know, your journey is your journey. I'm just giving you an opportunity to look within and just kind of follow along, um, and just enjoy the ride. So, what I want you guys to do is pretty much, you have questions, feel free to ask me. If you don't know anything, just feel free to get with me. Uh, Comment below. Reach out to me if you have my social media accounts. This is a learning experience for me, and we're gonna grow together with this.
Yeah, you know what this is.